Hi everyone, welcome back to From Me to English.
Emma, we're not in our usual place today.
No, we're in a different country right now.
Different country. That means different rules.
Different streets, different language, different food.
And different problems.
Maybe, but today we have one job first.
What job?
We fly to Venezuela.
Venezuela. I keep saying the word and it feels big.
Big trip, small steps.
Emma, my suitcase feels heavier than my body.
Suitcase means your travel bag.
Yes, my travel bag is full of what if.
What if is not luggage. Put it down.
I'm trying.
Okay, passport,
Here.
ticket,
Here.
phone charger.
Oh,
Tom,
I forgot it.
that's okay. We can buy one.
But I always forget the small things.
Small things happen on big trips.
Emma, what if we miss the flight?
Then we take the next one.
Next one sounds expensive.
Then we don't miss it. Let's go.
Emma, the airport is so loud.
Loud means a lot of noise.
Noise makes my brain tired.
Then listen to my voice, slow and clear.
Okay,
We check in, then security, then gate.
gate, the door to the plane?
Yes,
Emma, I see the word Caracas on the screen.
that's the city we're landing in.
Landing? When the plane goes down safely?
Yes, safely is the key word.
I like safely.
Me too.
Emma, I'm excited, but my stomach feels nervous.
Nervous stomach is normal.
Do people feel nervous when they travel?
Yes, even brave people.
Brave people too?
Yes, brave doesn't mean no fear. Brave means you go anyway.
Emma, you always make fear sound smaller.
Because fear is loud, but not strong.
Okay, we're walking to the gate now.
Yes, and Tom,
Yes?
when we arrive in Venezuela, we go slowly,
Slow walking.
slow listening.
Slow speaking.
Exactly.
Emma, I hear boarding.
Boarding means getting on the plane.
Okay, I'm going.
Good. Venezuela is waiting.
Emma, we landed.
Yes, welcome to Venezuela.
The air feels warm and alive.
Alive means full of energy.
Emma, I don't see my suitcase.
Breathe. It may come.
The belt stopped.
The belt is the moving line for bags.
Yes, and my bag is not here.
Okay, that's our first trouble.
Trouble. I knew it.
It's okay. We find the help desk.
Help desk. The place to ask for help?
Yes.
Emma, people are speaking Spanish so fast.
Then we use simple English.
My English feels small.
Small English is still English.
Excuse me, my suitcase is missing.
Missing bag? What color?
Color. Black. Small black.
Good, Tom.
They say it may arrive later.
Later means not now.
So we are in Venezuela with no clothes.
We have today's clothes. That's enough.
Emma, you are too calm.
Calm saves energy.
Okay, where do we go now?
First, we see the city slowly. No rushing.
but I feel messy without my bag.
Then we do one clean thing.
What clean thing?
We eat.
Eat?
Yes, food is comfort.
What food is Venezuela?
Let's find a small place.
Emma, I smell corn.
That's a good sign.
A woman is making something round.
That is an arepa.
Arepa. What is that?
A cornbread, round, warm. You can put things inside.
Like a sandwich?
Yes, a warm Venezuelan sandwich.
I want one. My heart needs warm food.
What filling?
Filling means what's inside?
Yes.
Emma, people here smile a lot.
Hospitality. Many people offer food and drink.
That makes me feel less lost.
We still have a missing suitcase, but we have a warm arepa.
Warm arepa. Warm life.
Exactly.
Emma, what's that music?
Street music. We follow it.
Follow carefully.
Carefully. Always.
Emma, the music is getting louder.
Yes, look. A small group is playing.
I see a small guitar.
That's a cuatro. It's common in Venezuelan folk music.
Cuatro. Cuatro cuerdas?
Yes, and those are maracas.
Maracas. The shaking sound.
Yes, this style is called joropo.
Joropo. Fast music.
Fast rhythm. But we can listen slowly.
Emma, I like the sound. It feels like sunshine.
That's a beautiful feeling.
Emma, can we go up to see the city from above?
Yes, there is a cable car in Caracas. Teleférico.
Cable car. Like a box in the sky?
Yes, it goes toward the Avila mountain.
Mountain. Okay. I will hold my fear.
We'll go slowly.
Emma? Oh no.
What?
The sign says closed.
Closed means not open.
Why today?
It happens. Sometimes weather, sometimes maintenance.
Maintenance. Fixing things?
Yes.
So our plan is broken.
Plan is flexible.
Flexible means you can bend it?
Yes, like your mind.
My mind is not flexible. It is stiff.
Then we soften it with something cold.
Cold?
A drink. Look, that stall.
The man is pouring something dark.
That is papelón con limón, a sweet lime drink.
Sweet lime. I want that.
Try it.
Oh, it's fresh.
Fresh means clean and cooling.
Emma, I feel better.
Good. Now, since the cable car is closed,
We go home?
no, we do a walking day.
Walking day?
We go to a square. We watch people. We learn the city's rhythm.
Rhythm. Like music?
Yes, every city has one.
Emma, but my suitcase is still missing.
We will call again later. For now, we don't let trouble steal the day.
Steal. Take away.
Yes.
Okay. Slow steps. Warm arepa. Joropo music. Sweet lime drink.
Venezuela is still here with us.
Emma, we found the square.
Yes, a square is an open public place.
I see families, children, old people.
And everyone is moving in their own time.
Their time feels slower than my worry.
Good. Let the city teach you.
Emma, a man is selling small flags.
That's culture in a simple form.
Culture. How people live?
Yes, food, music, habits, smiles.
Emma, I want to ask someone a question.
Go ahead.
Excuse me, is there a small cafe near here?
Yes, 2 blocks, left side.
2 blocks. What is a block?
A block is the distance between streets.
Oh, I understood. 2 blocks, left side.
You did it, Tom.
My English didn't break.
See?
Emma, maybe travel problems are not only problems.
What are they?
They make you speak.
Yes, they push you gently.
Gently is good, not too hard.
Exactly.
Emma, my phone is ringing.
The suitcase?
Yes, they found it.
Good news!
They say it will arrive tonight.
Tonight is perfect.
Emma, I feel proud.
Why?
Because we were lost, and we still had a day.
You didn't freeze,
I did a little.
but you moved again.
Emma, the joropo music is playing again, far away.
The city is saying, keep going.
Emma, can we sit and watch the sunset?
Yes,
Sunset. The sky changes color.
yes, slow colors.
Emma, Venezuela felt scary this morning.
And now?
Now it feels human.
Human is the best word.
People helped us. Food comforted us. Music warmed us.
And trouble taught you to speak.
Emma, I think this is the real journey,
Not perfect plans.
but real moments.
Exactly.
If someone is listening now,
Yes?
maybe they are afraid of new places.
Then we say this. Go slowly.
And even if something goes wrong,
You can still find something beautiful.
like warm arepas,
Like street music.
like sweet lime drink,
Like a city that keeps breathing.
Venezuela, thank you.
Thank you.